Hey everyone, welcome back to the series. Till now in the series we have solved problems which are easy level. So the next problem is medium level difficulty. So let us start. Given a function fn, so return a memoized version of that function. So the meaning of memoized function is it will never be called twice with same inputs. Instead we have to return a cached value. Okay, so if same inputs are used for a function call, so second time onwards we have to return a cached value. So there are three possible input functions we are suggesting: sum, Fibonacci and factorial. Okay, so the note point here is assume that if a value already been cached for the arguments b comma a, it cannot be used for arguments a comma b. So the cached value of the inputs 3 comma 2 cannot be returned for 2 comma 3 inputs. Okay, two separate calls should be made because these both inputs are different. We should not treat them as equal. Okay, so let us start the problem. Initially I will take a variable called cache and assign an empty object to it. So I will take one more variable and call it as inputs. This arguments is an array because it is using rest operator, so it will turn the values input parameters into array of parameters. With the help of JSON stringify method, I will convert it into a string. I will also create one more variable which is cache input. So from the cache object, I will verify if this input's already cached. If cache input is found, we simply return it. Otherwise, evaluate the function and cache the result. Finally, return the cached value. We have a function available, right? So we can call it. So the arguments are array, so we have to spread them out using the spread operator because these functions sum is taking input as a comma b. These are not array values. In the same way factorial as well, so the input is a single number. For the Fibonacci also, the input is a single value, it's not array. So we have to turn them into values and the result should be cached, so we can simply store them inside the cache like this and finally return them. So let's run the problem. So I'm going to submit. Okay, so you can see we have one test case failing out of 20. So for the inputs 0 comma 0, initially you can see we don't have any cache value for it, right? We will get undefined here. We will evaluate the function and we will cache the result. So second time when we call same inputs, what's happening is the cache input is returning 0 here. So we have already evaluated and we cached the result with 0. Passing 0 to the if condition, it is evaluating as false value. So that's the reason it did not satisfy this condition, and again it tried to evaluate for next input as well. That's the reason the count value got incremented and our function has returned 2 here. So in order to fix this issue, we have to see like if the cache input is 0, then also return it, or other cases other than 0, if we have found the cache input, then also return the cache input. So this is how like we can fix this issue. So I'm going to remove this comment, run the problem. So I'm going to submit again. So let's see, it is going to fix now. The test case is also fixed and our solution is accepted. So that's all about this video. I hope you learned something new on this tutorial. Even I am also learning while solving the problem. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more content. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.